We're in the North Pennines, just on the edge of Withybank Fell. This is an area of outstanding natural beauty. It's also a landscape that's very much associated with lead mining. Lead has been mined here intensively in the 19th century, but also, well, in Roman times and probably going back all the way to the Norse and prehistoric times. You might say it's the most sort of industrial or post-industrial landscape in England, or certainly one of them. I look at landscapes through the language of glass. Glass as a composite of environments, minerals, botanical, environmental and social histories, but also that, transparency is site-specific. Transparency is something that has a very specific place and a very specific history, and you can't erase that. So I started walking here looking for moonwort fern, which is a diminutive, absolutely tiny fern about this size, which grows on heaths and grasslands. And the moonwort is a plant that's seen as having powers over metal and having transformative powers. So it's connected to alchemy, and alchemy is connected to early glassmaking around the 1600s and early 1700s, which is when lead glass sort of starts to really develop and be produced on an industrial scale in England. Lead glass was actually developed to imitate rock crystal. And because this is an area that is very famous for its minerals, there's an oddness or a sort of a slightly perversity in, heavily mining and blowing up a landscape to extract a material that is then used to imitate materials naturally occurring in that landscape. So that sort of sense of composing and imitating was something I was thinking a lot about.